Hello, I am Dr. Sourabh Patwardhan from Nandadeep Eye Hospital. This video is for the information about our upcoming Phaco Tips 3D 5.0. So this is the 5th season we are having, and this will be conducted from 20th to 22nd June of 2025. Apart from this 3 days course, we also have pre-conference or pre-course hands-on training which may be useful to you. So what are the key highlights of this course? In this course, we have well-renowned mentors in the field of cataract training. The team of mentors includes the team from Nandadeep, myself Dr. Sourabh Patwardhan, Dr. Nidhi Patwardhan, Dr. Umesh Amrae, Dr. Komal Nitwe and Dr. Priyanka. Apart from that, we have world-renowned mentors Dr. Deepak Megur and Dr. Bharti Megur. We have some international coaches who will be teaching us some complex ways or complex cases and how to tackle them. In this 3 days course, on Friday we have excellent 3D as well as 2D very didactic videos. The entire teaching will be done through videos which will be really useful for all of you. During Saturday or 21st June, we have some live surgeries and some extraordinary deferred live surgeries in 3D and 2D, which will definitely help you to understand what happens in the operating room and how do we take decisions at right time. In this course, we'll be taking you through right from the basics to the complex cases. So it's not like any other conference. It's a course where we want you to learn something new, and when you go back next day in your operating room, I am 100% sure that you will be looking at the ophthalmic surgery a bit differently, and you will be your next version ophthalmic surgeon. Thank you so much. Looking forward to meet you all.